That was a crash. Well, I have never crashed on my stand.
It's okay.
I have crashed, but never on my stand.
Joshua, just be careful. Please sila diha. Be careful, honey, okay? Be careful, Liam.
I have the same exact scooter. Like,
Oh. Yeah.
I know you would start your life.
Oh.
Me or her? Her. Like her life.
Oh, okay, okay, Joshua. Okay, honey, okay.
Our life stream.
It's, oh, that's bird. Oh, nice bird. There's a cones. Just follow the cones, honey. Just follow the cones. Ibutangan ako ng kanyang kuan na kay sharp sa table ba para di sila maigo. Be careful, honey. Slow down, honey, ha. Slow down. Kabalo na siya magbike. Just focus, just focus. Not fast, Joshua. Slow down. Slow down, Liam,
I
ah.
know how to like go a little slower.
Slowly. Careful.
She wants you to.
Ay, slow down, honey. Slow down, honey. Ginoo ko. Slow down. Slow down. Ops. Joshua, stop. You stop. Joshua. Okay. Just be careful. Oh, yeah. Slow down, honey. Slow down, my God. Agoy, ginoo ko. Ako'y kulbaan. Let's put nipad, nak. Liam, let's put nipad, honey. Nipad. Let's tita put nipad,
Nipad?
Nipad.
Nipad?
Yeah, nipad. Yeah. You have nipad here. For safety. Here. I found it. Kuan din siya. Asa gani. Na-address sa sulod ay.
Japanese.
What? You know Japanese? Konichiwa.
I really. That's the only word that I know.
Okay, come on.
I
More
think
than
that's
enough.
stupid for me.
That's no. We have adjustment with this, honey. Let's put for safety purposes, lalab. Huh? Agoy, she
I
think
don't really like that.
Are you sure? No. Let tita put it, honey, for safety purposes, love. Hey, ako'y kulbaan. Konnichiwa. Hola, hello. Hello. Liam, this one, honey.
I don't need.
Yeah. You don't need?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Just slow down, okay?
No, I can.
Oh, okay.
I don't.
We will just put like this, honey. Like this, okay? How about that? We'll just put this is long. Konnichiwa. Do you know what's konnichiwa?
Mom, you want that Japanese?
Or arigato.
Well,
Arigato.
well, yeah. Japan is ancient,
Yeah.
especially Egypt.
Egypt?
Egypt is like one of the most like. Egypt is like Arabic.
No, Egypt is different Wow! Be careful, honey, okay? Just slow down. Slow down. Joshua, you need to stop, honey. Be careful each other, love.
I swear, when we're 60 years
Be careful. Nagduwa sila ganina sa ubos. Be careful. Careful, honey. Oh. Ice cream time? Oh. Okay. Mag-ice cream na sila. You want ice cream? Ice cream, honey? Drumstick, lalab, drumstick.
as much as ice cream as we want. Oh, good. We're going in here. Yep. I see sign. Salsa. Salsa made.
Whoa! We have a lot. Which one you choose? You choose. We have a drumstick. You want
Popeyes?
that? Okay, honey.
Okay, let's get him Popeyes.
Popeye.
I know Popeyes.
Popeyes, okay.
What kind of
What color, honey? What color, Liam, honey?
Okay, I got blue.
Let mommy hold this one. Let mommy hold this
Blue,
one.
I got you. Sue, I give you.
Let mommy hold this one.
Blue.
There's a lot, honey. There's different
Sue,
color.
Sue, buy two. Okay, maybe the is blue. Well, I'm not sure, but I think someone took the last blue.
Let mommy help you.
Mom, okay, Mom, carry me and I will
Ay,
see.
ay.
I will see.
Ay, naku.
see.
I cannot carry you. You're heavy na, oy. Kung bataan ito.
No, just listen. Just let your mom check. I'll try to do that.
Magpakiri ko na siya pa sila ng bata.
There's no more blue. There's no more blue.
Let mommy help you, eh. I have purple, red, orange, green, yellow. Yeah, we have green.
He was green.
We have red.
I want red. I want red.
We have, okay. Oh, purple, anak. Yeah, ginawa na.
Red. Red is right there. Takes.
And,
You have it.
oh.
You have it.
Red? You want red?
This one melted, bro.
Red? Oh, no, we have scissors.
This one melted.
Here. We have lots of red here.
Red.
Here, honey.
We don't want a melted red. I don't want.
Oh, yeah.
It's kind of melted. Oh, this melted a lot.
It's not, honey. It's hard. Oh, hard.
I want a hard one. This one isn't that hard. This one isn't that hard.
How about drumstick na? How about drumstick?
No, he got it, but I don't.
You want drumstick? Drumstick,
Wait, let's see
honey.
if there's any blue. Is that drumstick?
Here, honey. Oh, you have lots of ice cream, huh?
Oh, where's the blue?
You want
Where's the blue one?
We don't have blue.
I told you.
We have green, yellow,
Give me a hard.
red.
Is this?
Honey, is that enough? Go in the kitchen. There's a scissor there. There's a
This
scissor.
is melted.
Oh.
This is okay.
Okay,
No,
go.
this is melted.
They are the same, honey.
This is
Ay,
okay.
kabataan talaga. Joshua abot. Ay, nabata. Ay, Joshua abot. Come on, sis. Oh, no, in the kitchen, honey. Joshua abot. Don't scissor over. Don't use your. No, don't use your teeth. We have scissor in that one. We have scissor. Kitchen. Over here, honey. Over here.
Okay, I'm gonna get out of here.
Come on, Lalap. No. Nobody's going out in the gate. Outside the gate. The gate is locked. Tita, lock the gate, okay? For safety. Let mommy do it. Agoy na mga bata.
We are not babies. Yeah, we are not babies.
Okay.
We are not babies.
Yeah, I know. Put up your big boy na. Big boy. I'm trying to help.
Liam's depressed and emo.
It's open.
I'm happy and okay. Kinda.
Here, honey.
He's emo.
Liam, here, honey. Here, lalab.
That guy was emo. I'm kidding.
Nagduwa sila sa... Ate, are you okay, honey? Okay. Ate, you can bring the karaoke outside and we can sing. No thanks. Ay. Nag-break pa ning duha. Sit down. No. No playing. No playing while eating. Finish your popsicle first. Go sit down there, honey. Come on, sit down there. You don't want to feel down. Here, honey. Here. Sit down here. How about go downstairs? While eating your ice cream and just go back here outside when you're done eating your ice cream. It's hot. It's hot, lalab. Downstairs, go play your toy. Go play. Okay.
My toys are under here.
Okay.
Bonnie is walking. Then he hits his knees.
Okay. Here, sit down here, honey. Excuse me. Yeah. Oh, sit down there, honey. Sit down. Whew. It's very nice here, huh? And shed. Nice weather. Nag-play sila ng bicycle kanina. Ayan. Happy Mother's Day to all mothers out there. Today is May 10, 2025. Ayan, playdate sila. Ipangkapoy sila kuan. Ipangkapoy sila dula. Okay.
Oh, that goes.
Did you hear that? Motorcycle. That's motorcycle. Dami silingan nga rin saba kay motorcycle. Oh, did you motorcycle lang? Did you hear that? Oh. Oh, may lamig silingan.
Just remind me of a plusser.
Oh. Ay, ang duha.
Motorcycles remind me of scooters and bikes.
I think he's practicing. You can stand in the table and you can see them. You can see him out in the other side.
What's the other guy doing?
No? He's practicing. Go. Stand in the table. You can see him. Just one. Here. Honey. Up. Go up in the table. Be careful, ah. In the table. Okay, go down. Okay, bye-bye.